Probably the most important question of the night. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
What do you think about India and Indian culture?
Merry Christmas. Okay, Andy, bye.
I'm getting guided out to the main highway. It's pretty nice. I just landed a spot inside a Hindu temple tonight. I got the place all to myself.
Sita, Sweetalaxman,
Laxman.
Parasar,
Barasar.
yeah, Krishn,
Krishna.
Rada,
Radha.
yeah.
Thank you, man.
Well, that was a really nice day. I finally found a place that closed at a decent hour and opened at a decent hour. They closed at 8 and opened at 7. I got a great night's sleep. He was really happy to show me all the gods. He said they'd bring me food and tea, but it never came, but that's all right. I have my own food. I have 50 kilometers until I get to Jaipur. I have a host from couchsurfing. Looking forward to that.
Why do you do couchsurfing? How did you get started with couchsurfing?
Basically, I do couchsurfing to learn something from travelers like you. I start watching video traveling. I see a lot of travel vlog. In the December 2018, they show me about couchsurfing. Then I create my account in January, but I don't know how to use. I got some reference in June and then started until December, and now I have like 56 references.
Tunnel time! First tunnel in India! Woo! You guys think this is the pink city? I'd say it's pretty pink. It's a bit chaotic for me. Merry Christmas everyone from Jaipur. I hope you guys are having an amazing Christmas as well. I decided to go for a little hike. Meanwhile, some friends I met from couchsurfing, they're preparing dinner, and I'm gonna help them prepare my part when I get back. First, I wanted to show you an amazing view of Amir Fort. It's so beautiful out here. Merry Christmas everyone.
Do you guys know what Santa brought me for Christmas? Say hello. Sam, hello.
Oh, you're just a sweetheart, aren't you?
I don't know how I'm gonna fit her on my bike, but I'm gonna try. I think we may have a monkey problem. Not me, out there.
Never thought I'd be here again, but I'm at McDonald's and I have a vegan burger. Only in India.
That's good.
Yeah, bro, with your biggest brother.
My name is Dushyant, 16 year young, and I'm now currently studying in 11th class, Humanities. So basically my dream is to travel around the world, volunteer in some countries, help others, make others happy, and like this. Okay.
Alright, see you, buddy. Alright, see you, Pushkar. That's a good video, yeah. See you, Sam. See you, buddy.
Can you tell us about the last trip you took? Because I find it quite impressive that a 16-year-old would just set off and go traveling around, well, anywhere.
So I start my trip across Asia with no money in the November for 1 month. I start from Jaipur, Nepal, Myanmar, and then come back to India. So I start by skating for 50 kilometers, then I got an accident. I took a jeep, took a train, go to Gorakhpur, and then I stay in Lumbini with Buddhist monk, Sri Lankan monks. And then I took a bus, go to Kathmandu, traveling, stay for like 17 days, 10 days Vipassana course and 7 days couchsurfing. And after that I go to in north of India and then cross border, More-India border, hitchhike in Myanmar for like 500 kilometers, then back to India. And I spend less than $100 for 1 month, include accommodation, transportation, and food.
How did the Vipassana course change your life?
For me, Vipassana is one of the best experience I ever done. So Vipassana is also type of meditation. You have to meditate for like 10 hours. You wake up at 4:30. Any type of communication are strictly not allowed. Vipassana is to see the things as they really are. You feel calm, light, and your ability to think it's gonna be increased.
The coolest part about Dushyant is he wants to cycle now. So we went looking for bicycles and I think we found him an okay bike. And I just want you to tell us, where do you want to go on your bicycle trip and how far, how long, things like that.
I plan my trip starting maybe in the mid of January. So I basically go from the northeast of India, from Manipur, and I start like from Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, and then come back to India. The duration of my trip is like 3 to 4 months. Probably I think like $1,000, but I was thinking to spend no more than $400.
He's gonna cycle the world before, well, let's see, I'm almost 40. He'll probably cycle the world by the time he's 20. All right, so I have an important question. How did my haircut come out? Does it look good?
Yeah, it looks good.
All right, man, thank you.
Thank you.
Time to wake up.
Thanks for everything.
Okay, bye.
All right, a serious question now. Probably the most important question of the night. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
How many chuck chuck, chuk chuk chuck chuck?